What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple way in which you can make money online. You can earn as much as $1 per minute. So if that sounds interesting, I would encourage you to watch this video all the way to the end, subscribe and help me get to 5,000 subscribers. So with that being said, let's hop straight into the video. So I'm going to launch my app. So in the search engine there, you type rent a cyber friend and you click on search. So it's going to bring you to this website. So I'm going to show you the sign up process and how you can start making your money online. So first and foremost, you need to sign up. So how you do that is you click on where it's saying get started. So what you do is you scroll down to the bottom. So I'm going to be brought to this section where you're required to fill in your details. So I'm going to fill in mine quickly. I'm going to be asked to create a password. So I'm going to create one quickly. Okay, so once you're done creating your password, you check the two boxes. So you can check that one if you want. And then the second one is a mandatory. You accept into the terms and conditions. So I'll click that one too. So what you do now is you click on where it's saying sign up. So I've received an email which I'm supposed to confirm my sign up credentials. So the whole reason why I've received this email is to verify my account. So it says there, to activate your account, please visit the site below. So I'll click on that. Then I'll open it using Safari. Thank you, your email address is confirmed. Please log into your account. Okay, so I can simply log in. So I've successfully created an account. So as you can see there, successfully logged in. My balance dashboard, since it's a new account, is 00 United States dollars. I haven't yet made money. So as you can see, these are the various people that you can chat with, and that's the amount of money you can make. So for this one, code Kendo M, you can make 0.6 US dollars per minute. So let's see if there are still other better options. So for this one, Kate B, you can earn as much as 1.05. For Alana C, you can also earn $1 per minute with having a conversation with Alana. So I'll click on Alana C. Hi, my name is Alana. I pretty much love to do everything from shopping, bowling, the list goes on. So you can simply go through this. Then if you're okay with all of that, you can choose to click on call and you're going to strike a conversation with Alana. Then in a space of 1 minute, you would have made yourself a $1. Okay, so all in all, that's how rent a friend works. So if you want, you can add some hobbies so that the people who want to have a conversation with you can see your interests, and then the app is going to pair you or recommend people to you depending on your interests. So you can make as much as $1 or more. So thank you so much for sticking out this far. If you've learned on how you can make free money online just by having a conversation with people, I'll really be glad if you give this video a thumbs up. Stay safe and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.